I'm Shofil Bashar. My ID is 191151297 and I'm from Team Backbenchers. Uh, we have the presentation topics IoT or Internet of Things. Here I have a small animation where we can see every devices are interconnected by a network which is providing by a satellite. These devices are called IoT devices and all this thing is here happening is called IoT. We have a small definition of IoT. The Internet of Things is a physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings and other items embedded with electronic software, sensor and network connectivity that enables those objects to collect data and exchange data. We have various names in this session like M2M. What is M2M? M2M is machine to machine connection where human no need to human. Every machine is connected to each other and share their data. We have Internet of Everything where Internet is everything. Then we have WWW or World Wide Web. Then we have Skynet. We have many features in this IoT session like univocable identification and addressable objects. We have artificial intelligence in this session. This artificial intelligence is most important thing of IoT. Then we have connectivity. Connectivity is the most important thing of IoT because we know for this IoT we should connect each other every devices. Then we have sensors. Sensors are most important thing also. Then we have science consideration like small devices. We need some small devices and huge devices also in this IoT session. Then we have many technologies in this IoT session like RFID, like Wi-Fi IEEE. Then we have barcode or QR code. Then we have Zigbee, IEEE, IEEE. Then we have sensor or mini smartphones. Thank you.
I'm Rahat Mahfuz Rafi. I'm from Backbenchers. So my fellow friend have discussed about what is IoT and its definition. Now I'm going to continue it and further discuss about its applications and some examples. So the first example that comes in our mind is RFID. What is RFID? RFID is radio frequency identification. That means it used a frequency to identify different products. These products could be anything. That could be the books you are getting from the library or different kind of product that you purchase from the shop. It could also track birds or other cars. That is already lost. Different kind of foolish investigation use this kind of technology. Then a very common IoT application that comes in our mind, it is Wi-Fi. So why it is so much common? It is common because it is low of cost and it is the most selling product in this quarantine because it saves money. First of all, it saves money. It is widely used in indoor and outdoor. Indoor and outdoor environment. It is general purposes, highly interpretable and maybe not a good product in different cases, but it is very usable, user friendly. Another product that comes in our mind is barcode. Well, barcode is a kind of thing that we use in our general life. It is used in everywhere. Nowadays, online shopping, we use barcode. If identify any product or verifying different product, we use barcode. So why we use it so much? It is also low of cost, no technical difficulties. It is very much secure. That is the main thing. It is very much secured and several devices can read it. If you had a smartphone, it could detect the barcode, QR code. Another product that comes in our mind is Zigbee. It is not that much popular, but it is a product that is very user friendly. So what is Zigbee? Zigbee is a kind of thing like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It is used just like that, but it is more usable because its low data because of its low data rate. It can work under 250 kbps, and a Bluetooth needs 50 mbps, and a Wi-Fi almost work in 1 mbps. You need minimum 1 mbps. So we can understand that, and it could cover 10 or 15 feet under these 250 kbps. So we understood its power and its frequency rate. So it is large number of nodes up to 64,770. It can be used globally. It is secured, and it is mostly used in mesh topology. It supports multiple network topologies. It also supports multiple network topologies. So another thing that comes in our mind, and it is everywhere, we use Wi-Fi by this, we use barcode by it is everywhere, and that is a smartphone. So I don't need to verify what is a smartphone. Don't need to need the identification. A smartphone is a kind of product that will be used in the future. That is the future, and it use all different kind of sensors. Different kind of sensor needs it, and we use this Wi-Fi, QR code, barcode, all kind of sensors that I have previously discussed use smartphone. So a smartphone is the biggest example of IoT. And that is the end of my discussion. So my fellow mate, my friend, will discuss more about it. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm Simon, and I'll talk about the major applications of IoT concepts that really change our lifestyle. Some of those are smart home technologies, agricultural technologies, energy engagement technologies, transport and logistics systems, and of course lighting systems. In this picture, I'm pretty sure that you have an idea of the application of smart home technologies. So nowadays, most smart home systems are controlled by smartphone and microcontrollers. Smartphone application is all used to control the functions using wireless communication techniques. We can also explore the concepts of the smart home with the integration of IoT services and cloud computing to it. In smart home technologies, we can control our door lock systems, see the security systems from our phone wirelessly. We can control all the remoteable things throughout mobile, such as fans, lights, and TVs, etc. Also can modify options of our air cooler and coffee machines too. Let's talk about the changes IoT has made in agriculture. The main result that it has made is the waste have been reduced, productivity has been increased. There are lots of applications in agriculture, such as agricultural drones, smart greenhouse systems, etc. The benefit of the agricultural drone include crop health imaging, integrated GIS mapping, the smart greenhouse. The greenhouses farming is a methodology that helps in enhancing the quality of the vegetables, fruits, crops. In this control system, we can control the environment of the area. In short, to make it more usable in reality, the more innovation approaches it needs. IoT has expected to connect 4 billion people in 2020, and also has a goal to connect to 1 trillion people before 2025. Thank you, that's all.